Welcome back everyone. Quickly, let's continue our discussion on CSS backgrounds, and right now we'll be discussing about the CSS background position property. The background position property in CSS is used to specify the position of the background image. Don't forget what we discussed about in our previous tutorial where we start discussing about the introduction to the CSS background property. And right now we are going to use the background position property. Back to our document, we are having this in our previous tutorial where we discussed about the CSS background no repeat, and now let's change this our topic to background position. Save your document and see. Let's reload. Now we are having the CSS background position topic, right? And this is part of our CSS background playlist, so you can take the playlist to be able to follow along. And now right here, this image, let us target it quickly using our background position. We can do it in this manner. We can come immediately after this place. We can just write our body tag again to target the image inside this body right here. So we don't need to declare this image inside here again, because we have already every styling with every property we had to this body right here is going to add to the one at the top here, because we have already declared the image right here. Definitely the background image also is going to add with it. So definitely when we use background position right here, it's going to function. So let's give it the right position. So when we give it the right position, this image is going to shift to the right. Can you see it takes itself to the right side right here? So definitely what I did right here is that, just in case, you can do it in another sense again. You can just come here, inside of this place you can place the image and it's still going to work. Let's save it. Can you see? Let's remove it. Can you see? It's no more working. So definitely we can place it, we can use it inside, and we can use it in the way we did before. So definitely if this image is not here, definitely we will not have any image to work with. Reload. Can you see there is no any image right here again? Can you see this right is just asking, it's just doing the job, but we are not be able to see the job it is doing, or else we had image. Definitely this background position property is seriously working with background image property. So everything, background, repeat, everything, they work with each other. So use it when you are using image or whatsoever, or color, whatever. So this is background image we are discussing about. So this background position property right here is working with it. So that's why it's able to shift our document, our element to the right side right here. So let me now rearrange it so you can see the thing, some cool trick about this. But this is just the trick section. For now we are still going to show each other another thing again back here. So right now let's place our background position to this place, inside this place again. Let's see if our document is still going to work normally. Can you see nothing happens to our document when we reload? So now one thing I want to do again is that I want to give it top. When I write top, we are going to see what will happen. Our element shift to the top. When I write bottom, our element shift to the bottom. But if you notice very well, the right bottom right here is not getting down very well. It's not getting down entirely to the bottom of our document. So we are going to be doing something. That's part of the thing we are going to be touching in our next tutorial. But before I go again, let me quickly show you another cool trick. Let's say for instance now we want to use this tree.png. So let's use the image. Let's use the tree.png. Save your document and reload. Can you see what happened? The image covers this place, but when we use top, definitely we are saying as you go to the top, right? Let's now use top with it. Let's see what will happen to the image. Can you see? It's not shifting beyond this place, as you can see. So definitely whenever you are trying to do this, use the image along that pattern with what you are doing. So, and also look at it when you are using it. So in our next tutorial, I'm really seriously going to talk about this in deep details, because there is a lot of advanced features in this that you find it somehow to understand easily. So Anwar akorede is my name. I wish to see you guys next time to our next tutorial. Have a good day. Before I go, please practice what I'm showing you guys, because practice makes perfect. There is no any benefit in learning something when you don't practice. Practice makes perfect. And what akorede is my name once again. Have a great day. Thank you so much, and to the next tutorial. Bye.